Here to show us how to put a holiday flair on fondue, y'all please welcome Amber Kelley. How are you, love?
Welcome.
We're so happy to have you.
Yes, it's so good to be here. I'm so excited.
Absolutely.
No, you're making fondue. So how did you get into fondue? Because it's kind of like it's very big in the 70s, and you're 15, so you're born in the 90s, right?
No, I was born in 2003.
Oh my God!
For God's sakes,
Sorry, it just weirds me out when people say that.
Yes, 2003. I don't know. I feel like fondue never went out of style. I mean, dipping stuff in chocolate or like cheese. I mean, how can you go wrong?
That is a good point. That's an excellent point.
Yeah. So today I wanted to show fondue because I feel like it's a gorgeous dessert, right?
Gorgeous.
It is.
But with holidays, right, you can get really busy and stressed out and like I don't have time. So this fondue you can make last minute, add it to your menu, no stress, and it's beautiful.
Right.
Wonderful.
Yes. So we're gonna be making.
Can you mess up fondue? Because we can mess up anything.
Yeah.
So
I
just wanna
mean,
make sure.
we'll see.
Okay.
I doubt it though. I think you'll be
You're
fine.
just melting
But this is
chocolate
no
cheese.
judgment, right?
No, not at all. We have two batches.
Are there any fondants? What shouldn't you do? Because mine sometimes gets burned or curdled or whatever.
So we're going to be using a double boiler, which is sort of what we have here.
That double boiler on its own.
I would make fondue
yeah.
just to buy this.
Beautiful. I don't have one
It is
this pretty.
pretty.
Yeah, so this is just so we don't burn the chocolate. So if we get into making it right away, I can show you how we do it.
Just
All
so you
right.
know, Thom and Carson have joined us for this
yes,
segment.
yes.
of fondue.
Welcome.
If you haven't realized that already.
We're like the crotchety old guys
You are.
in the balcony on the Muppet Show.
You are,
Right,
yes.
Our bodies were built on fondue.
Yeah, they were.
And fondant.
I mean, you came for the right part. You guys get to eat.
Okay.
Chocolate.
All right,
Okay, so we have
if
our
you can dump
chocolate.
these right in here. So
Okay.
we've got chocolate.
All right.
We're using dark chocolate. So this makes
I got
the
that
fondue
part down.
a little bit healthier.
Right.
That's dark chocolate. So
Yes.
Yeah, a little
Dark
healthier.
chocolate.
I
We're
love
also
it.
going to add in some vanilla if you can go
Okay,
with that.
vanilla.
And so this fondue, you don't have to feel guilty if you're eating it because we use dark chocolate, so it's got some health benefits.
Right.
And we're
And
going to
chocolate
use...
makes you happy.
Right? I mean, come on.
It does.
Holiday season too, right? Yes,
I did read that
applause for
somewhere where dark
chocolate.
Yeah,
chocolate,
right.
yeah, it's supposed to make
does.
you happy.
So then we've got coconut milk.
Yeah,
I'm gonna add a tablespoon. Ooh, it's hot.
Oh, wow.
A tablespoon goes in here, and then if you could
Okay.
dump the rest of the coconut
all
milk
of this in
right
here?
in there.
Okay.
Yes,
You don't usually
perfect.
use coconut milk in fondue, right? Is this unusual?
I use coconut milk and fondue. One, I don't eat dairy because I'm a teenager and it makes me break out, and that's just a whole bag.
Me too.
This is a healthier alternative.
Exactly.
Also a
It does,
teenager.
Teenager.
it does make it healthier. It also sort of adds that nice coconutty flavor, which I love, and it makes it dairy-free if you have dairy-free chocolate.
That's great.
Wonderful.
Right? So,
Got it.
Ben, if you could mix this for me.
Anything
I'm
you
putting you
want.
two to work. I don't have
Thank
to do
you.
anything.
Yes.
Does your
No.
family do a soup bar during Christmas?
Yeah, so that's one of our holiday traditions is we throw this huge Christmas Eve party and people bring these giant crock pots of soup and we line it up and everyone goes and we can try whatever
That's a
soups we
fantastic-
Oh,
want.
that's awesome.
So good.
I
I
love
love it.
that.
Yeah. Oh, applause. I love this. This is so great. Perfect. So the chocolate's
By the way,
melting.
just so you know, if you wanted to get to applause, all you gotta say is the word "I love Nashville." Go
I
ahead.
love Nashville.
Anytime.
It's my first
Where's
time
your
here.
favorite food city? Nashville.
It's your first time in Nashville?
It is. I love it so far.
Do I stir this till it gets all chocolatey?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So we'll be stirring this nice and slow, and this, the double boiler makes sure that the chocolate doesn't burn and doesn't seize up, because I feel like
Got it.
that's a fondant, I guess.
Yeah,
Yes.
totally.
Burning the chocolate,
I've done
that's
that.
not a
Have you
flavor
guys-
that we want.
Have you guys made fondue before? Have you?
I have, but I've done cheese fondue.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
I've witnessed it being made, but I don't make a lot of items.
I've been to
I
the
like
melting
to
pot.
watch and eat.
Yeah.
Right? Well, this is so easy. If you're like last minute freaking out, I don't have a dessert for the
Yeah.
holidays.
Right.
It's
But
a
you
quick
need-
thing you can whip
You
together.
need
Yeah.
this fondue pot to make fondue, or can you make fondue in just a regular?
You
old
can make
pot?
fondue. So a pot with a bowl on top, you don't need this crazy, beautiful looking
It's
thing
so
right here.
gorgeous.
Right?
Right.
But you don't need that. A
Right.
bowl, a heat-safe bowl, and a
Waft
pot
it,
with some
waft
water.
it.
I have a
Yeah.
bunch of fondue pots, but I don't make fondue.
Well,
So
you
I
have
like
them.
to buy fondue pots.
They are very pretty, I will
Use them for
say.
bookshelves.
Right?
Went fondue crazy.
Yeah,
I
I
have
did.
pretty pots and pans at home, but I don't know what
Yeah.
to do with them.
Can you waft that?
I
smell
can
you smell it?
It
to you?
smells good.
I
smell the
love
chocolate?
chocolate.
This is looking beautiful. So we have one last step before we
so
can
good.
eat,
Yeah.
because I know that's why everyone's here, is we want to eat.
Yes.
All
So over here, if you could hand me that little pot of coconut milk.
Okay.
Perfect. Hopefully it's not hot. No,
Nope,
we're
it's
good.
good, it's
So
good.
that's what we did. We took a little bit of the coconut milk, we set it aside, because this
Uh-huh.
is when you take basic chocolate fondue, and this makes it really fancy,
Yes.
and you
Okay.
don't have to do that much
Highfalutin.
work.
Right.
And it takes it up a notch.
Okay.
Oh.
All right, so if you guys come over
Right.
here and see what I'm about
Okay.
to do, let me grab a skewer. So this is our fondue. We've got it in the pot and everything. I'm going to give this a stir to make sure it's heated through. Oh gosh, chocolate for the holidays. How could you go wrong?
Do you have a favorite?
Shape.
Do you have a favorite holiday
Christmas tree.
tradition?
The soup bar is definitely one of my favorites, but I think that overall that Christmas Eve party that we throw is my favorite. We make the fondue there too, because my whole family gets together, and food's one of the best part about the holidays,
Right.
honestly. And so we just
Definitely.
eat until we're full and tired, and then
Absolutely.
exactly, yeah, it's so fun. All right, so this coconut milk here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna drizzle it.
Look at this.
Ooh,
Wow.
pretty.
Look at this.
Oh,
Get
we're
Ben
not
and
done.
Kelly's
You guys are
faces
impressed
in
by
there.
this? We're not done yet.
Oh.
Eat it.
Take a little toothpick, and you just swirl it,
Oh, look at you.
Fancy.
and you
Oh my
can marble
God.
it
You're
on
the Bob
top.
Ross of fondue.
Just like that. I know I didn't, it's not like, it's like latte art.
That's nice. And there
There you
it
go.
is.
And we're done.
That's it, so easy.
Right?
Are we gonna try this? Let's
Yes,
try this.
of course.
Yeah,
you guys
let's
have your
eat it.
pot.
Skewers?
We have pots over
Oh
here.
my
Here,
God,
skewer
yes.
for you.
Skewer?
We have fancy
Anybody?
skewers.
I'll take a
for you.
skewer.
Here, we
got
can,
one?
Skewer.
yeah, we got it. So we have all our different
do the
toppings. If
same.
you're making this last minute, you can prep the toppings in the morning, pop it in the fridge.
All right.
What doesn't taste good in chocolate, you think?
Nothing.
what is-
I would dip a shoe in this. Are you kidding me? It's so good.
I think a dirty air
I've never had a
conditioner
grape
filter
with
could be
chocolate on it.
delicious.
Let me try it.
Go
see.
for
Try
it.
the little man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't drop it. No pressure. We're on TV.
How
Are you gonna
dare
have
you
some?
say you didn't like
I
it?
can.
Yeah,
I
I
will.
can, darling.
Let's do it. I like
Then
strawberries.
I bite their heads off.
Okra. Okra would be terrible in chocolate.
No, it'd be amazing.
Okra
Okra's
is
good with
no.
everything.
I think it would be fried okra with
There you go.
chocolate on it.
That's
Come
awesome.
Oh, yeah, that's wonderful.
Oh,
God.
Thank you
And
so
it's
much,
sort of
darling.
really kind
Thank
of
you
sort of
very
healthy.
much.
I had a runaway strawberry. Wait,
Yeah,
I
you
You
All
dropped
right.
it?
had to be a lifeguard to
Fondue
like, get it
fail.
out of there.
Give it mouth to mouth. You're giving it mouth to mouth now. Perfect.
What is
survived.
this mystery
A
item?
big thanks to Amber
persimmon.
Kelly. Pick up a copy of her book, Cook with Amber.
And thanks to Carson and Thom for making our fondue party even more festive.
We'll be right back.